Everybody, in this video we will see a question based on projection of lines. Question is, one end point P of a line PQ 75 mm long is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The line is inclined 45 degrees to HP and its plane is inclined 35 degrees to XY line. Draw the projection of the line PQ and find out true inclination of the line with respect to VP. Now, since one end of a line is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP, draw the reference line. From here, mark 10 mm above HP, 10 mm above reference line, name it as P dash. 20 mm in front of VP, so 20 mm in front is below, so 20 mm in front of below reference line, mark it as P. Draw the locus of P dash and P. Now, since the actual length of the line is given is 75 mm and its actual inclination with horizontal plane is 45 degrees, from P dash draw a line at 45 degrees having length of 75 mm. Its true length is 75 mm and its true inclination is 45 degrees. So, from P dash draw a line of 75 mm at an angle 45 degrees and name this end as Q1 dash. Now, it is given that the plan of the line is inclined 35 degrees to reference line. So, plan we have to start from P. Now, inclination only is given. So, plan inclination only is given, length is not given. So, from the point P, draw just a line of at an angle 35 degrees. Length is not specified. From P, draw a line at 35 degrees with some length. Now, drop Q1 dash to the locus of P. Q1 dash to the locus of P and name that point as Q1. Now, PQ1 as radius and P as center. Draw an arc to cut PQ line to meet the line P. To meet 35 line drawn from P at an angle 35 degrees. So, from P as center and PQ1 as radius, draw an arc to meet this 35 degrees inclined line and name that point as Q. Also, draw the locus of that point Q parallel to the reference line. Now, also draw the locus of the point Q1 dash and now measure from P, take 75 mm and mark that point Q2 because true length is 75 mm. So, from P, mark a point, mark 75 mm on this locus of Q and name that point as Q2. This PQ2 will be equal to 75 mm. Now, from Q, draw a vertical line to meet the locus of Q1 dash to get Q dash. So, P dash Q dash is the front view. P dash Q1 dash is the true length in front view, PQ is the top view and PQ2 is the true length in top view. Now, on measurement you can get this actual inclination of the front view, that is the angle with which the P dash Q dash is making with horizontal plane is 51 degrees. Actual inclination of the line actual inclination of the top view is given already 35. Now, the true inclination of the line with the vertical plane is 24 degrees and this is the distance between end projectors, the shortest distance between end projectors, that is P dash P line and Q dash Q line joining. That distance between these two lines, that is distance between end projectors, and that the distance is given on measurement we can get it as 43.22 mm. Also, we can get the front view length as P dash Q dash as 68.5 mm and top view length PQ as 52.93 mm. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Thank you.